I'm Jenette McGahey, and I work for Q Sciences. I was scrolling around on Facebook looking actually for ways to connect with people to become my customers or my, join my business. And then all of a sudden, this picture of Adrienne popped up on my news feed. And I watched her a couple different times, and then I know I saw Kat. And I just kept liking how they talked about talking to people and how they presented what they were going to help me with. And so I signed up first for whatever the free thing is, and then I just knew I wanted to learn more because I said, this is what I've been looking for, like the whole time that I've been looking for leaders in my own company that I didn't have. And so this was the type of thing that I wanted to do because I'm a relationship builder. I've always been a relationship builder, and so I can't sell stuff, but I can build relationships. And that's what they're talking about, is building relationships to have success for you and the people that you build the relationships with. And so once I figured that out, I had to do it. I had to come and experience them in person and see exactly what I could learn from them. The biggest takeaway is that, one, that everybody pretty much is feeling the same doubts that I was feeling and struggling. We all may be at different points, but we're all have the same internal feelings. The beach bosses all have been there too. And so it was neat meeting them and hearing their stories from when they were just starting out in their business and how they're providing this system to us, not because they're trying to make money off us, but it's because they have been where we've been. And they're just sharing from their heart. And that's literally what all that I wanted from them, is like to share from their heart. But they're sharing from their heart and financially free, which that's a win-win basically for me. That's what I want. I didn't want to spend the money at first, and so I realized when talked about it again and all the things that it could offer me is that I wasn't spending money. I was investing in myself, and at the end of the day, I deserve the biggest investment that I can give myself. And so I plan to grow my business where the investment that they're asking is going to be something that I make in a month or 2 months. And so, and I will be honest, like right now I have nothing. I'm like, I don't have any team or anything. So, but I believe it. I mean, that's what it is. I was like, I believe, hell yes, I'm worth $25,000. I was like, I need to do this. I mean, I am worth it. So I didn't hesitate to then just keep going the rest of the way. So I joined the 7-Figure Academy because I know that even though it's a scary investment, I knew that at the end of the day after this workshop that I am worth the investment. I mean, I am worth whatever I put into myself. So it was worth taking the risk because I will be able to get the investment back quickly and I will have even more success after that. I would 100% recommend Beach Boss Influencers to others because they welcome people without judgment and they help you find the power that you have within yourself to succeed, and everybody needs that. We all need that. It's interesting because other events, when they're around your company, they build you. I mean, you get excited, there's a lot of music, there's all this stuff, but at the end of the day, they have the top leaders on the stage and you're proud of them and you're excited, but all you want to do is be them, and then you leave motivated but without any tools to actually know how to become them. I love that this is for any company. Like the beach bosses aren't focusing on what you're selling or what your products do or how you can sell some big packer. They're actually just investing in who the people are. It's all about the people, not about the company. And that's so refreshing. And it's great because each beach boss person has a different personality. So they, with all their different personalities, from introspective to and person who's really outgoing, they appeal to pretty much everyone, and they can show how with any type of personality that you can do exactly what they're doing. And that's what their message is repeatedly until people get it. They're here to help everyone along the journey. The energy has just been absolutely phenomenal. Like the party was so fun just because you get to dress up and you got to wear, and there's fun music and you got to and just enjoy people who you just met, but just be able to dance around and be silly when instead of being stressed out about when are we going to get our next team member, when are we going to get our next sale, how are we going to find new people, we literally knew that we were surrounded by people who were just there to have fun. And I knew from being at the Next Level Workshop that they were having fun and earning money at the same time because they have stuff on automation, and that's what they're here to teach us, is how we can have fun and still earn money, like while we sleep or while we're at an 80s party.